Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have some Avène products to talk about. They recently sent me a couple of products and I will just run you through it. But the main star of today's video is going to be their new Aqua-Gel Night. This is a hydrating sleeping mask. But the other products that they have kindly sent me are the cleansing foam, the serum, as well as the hydrating lotion. If you guys don't know about Avène, I don't know where have you been. You've been living under a rock because this brand has been around in Malaysia for a very long time, and I believe this has also been known to be very good for sensitive skin and also very good for like various skin types. Basically they do have different range for different skin type, okay, and they have a specific way of pronouncing this. I think most of us always like butcher this name, so it's Eau Thermale Avène, not Avene, not Avene, not Event, okay. So now that we have gotten the pronunciation right and out of the way, I am gonna quickly briefly run you through the three products that is not the main key star of today's video. Let's start with the first one, which is the Gentle Cleansing Foam. This one is for sensitive and irritated skin, is hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic as well. Gentle cleanser is for sensitive and hypersensitive and irritable skin. Light foam delicately cleanses all types of sensitive skin. It contains a minimum of ingredients carefully selected for their softness. Thermal spring water in there, of course. Most Avène skincare, or all Avène skincare, actually has its unique signature, which is the thermal spring water. Very popular. I use that spray as like a mask as well. It's really nice, and it's soap free, fragrance free, and colorant free. This is amazing. I'm serious. The packaging of this, of course, it's very hygienic because it's in a pump form. You don't really need to work it in like a cream or a gel, whatever. Just need to moisten up your face a little bit. Just wet your face a little bit, damp your face a little bit with water, and then after that you go in with the foam itself. You just spread it all over and massage it into your face. Make sure you clean your face. Try to like go with the 60-second rule, and then after that you rinse it out. This is just to make sure that you really thoroughly cleanse your face. If you use the right cleanser such as this, it will really help to ensure that it doesn't fully strip off the natural oils on your skin, still making sure that your skin is still very soft and supple. Even after cleansing, making sure it also feels clean at the same time. I personally absolutely love this cleanser. I highly recommend this, and I really like that this is soap free, fragrance free, and colorant free. One bottle like this is 150 ml. Next up, we have the Hydrance Pre-Serum. So this hydrating Essence-in-Lotion is for dehydrated sensitive skin. It intensely hydrates the skin, provide long-lasting soothing relief, naturally soothing and softening the skin. Richer than usual toner, which is actually very true. Nourishes the skin and makes it comfortable, supple, and soft upon application. It is in the toner category, but it's not your regular toner, of course. This is more of the lotion side of the toner, so which means that it's thicker and it really resembles a lot more of essence. I do agree with what they say. It definitely resembles more of an essence, which makes it a little bit more hydrating. It would definitely give your skin more moisture and really protects your skin a little bit more than regular toner. And it's not just, you know, using a cotton pad to cleanse it off. You can use a cotton pad with this, but I really highly do recommend, specifically with thicker lotion like this, I always recommend using your palms, and just put it on your palms and just rub it between, and then just tap it all over your face. That's how I would recommend you guys to use this, and it really feels very moisturizing on the skin. I can feel like it's already, as a lotion only itself, it already moisturizes the back of my hands already. I have to say that they do have fragrance, perfume in here. So if you guys are a little bit more sensitive towards fragrance or perfume, then you probably want to avoid this. But other than that, it's a very nice lotion if you are okay with the ingredients in the ingredients list itself. After preparing your skin with the Pre-Serum lotion, you can actually move on to try their Hydrance Intense Rehydrating Serum, okay? Personally, for me, I would think the basic 3-step is really good enough, okay? This is really just an extra luxury, you know. If you feel like you're getting older and you want to pamper your skin a little bit more, you work really hard for yourself and you just want to really take care of your skin, then yes, serum is definitely something that you should put in, including mask as well, okay? Serum is definitely the other step that you can actually try to involve it in your skincare routine. It does help with specific concerns that you have. For example, serum usually focus targets on one or two concerns of your skin, like either hydration or anti-aging or stuff like that. So this particular one is mainly focusing on hydration. One bottle like this is 30 ml. This is not very ergonomically friendly, okay, because after using this serum, it does leave a little bit of that lotiony feeling on the hands. So if I use my palms and then I try to open this up with this, sometimes the grip is a little bit loose. But palm foam, yes, 100% love anything in palm foam because it's very, very hygienic, okay? The Hydrance INTENSE Rehydrating Serum is made for very dehydrated, sensitive skin, tightness, roughness, sensation of discomfort, fine lines caused by dehydration, and dull complexion. Rehydrate and fortify the skin by restoring its natural hydration and protective barrier. Let's say if you're like late 20s and you're just starting to see fine lines on your skin, I really don't recommend you to dive directly into anti-aging products. I would say you should just try to make sure that your skin is fully hydrated. A lot of times the reason why you have fine lines is because of, most of the time now, okay, I'm not saying like this is for sure, but most of the time it's caused by dehydration. So you should really start by at least just checking out items or products that actually helps with fully rehydrating your skin and make sure to give you moisture and stuff like that to see if it helps with a fine line or not. If you feel like it's not, I wouldn't say going away, if it's not helping too much, then you can start going into the anti-aging products. But yeah, always just try to start with rehydration first, because without your skin, you know, feeling hydrated and, you know, moisturized, without that slight glow on the face, that healthy glow on the face, it really doesn't matter. No matter how much of anti-aging product you use, if your skin is still dry, you will still look pruny and haggard and old. So this is not a super thick cream. I would still say that it's more of like a thicker lotion, because when you pump it out, it kind of holds its shape. It doesn't drip everywhere, all right? But when you kind of spread it out, it's super easy to spread out, okay? And spread it out, it really feels almost like the lotion itself, but in a richer consistency, in a richer sort of form. When you first apply on, it definitely feels like it leaves a little bit of that lotiony feeling on the skin itself. It has a little bit of that layer on the surface of the skin, but it's not too heavy. After massaging it in like properly, it really feels just like a velvety sort of touch on the skin. It's not sticky, it's not oily. Again, it's a very, very nice hydrating product if you guys are not sensitive to the ingredients in there. Alright, let's get into the star of this video, which is their new Avène Hydrance Hydrating Sleeping Mask. Really, really nice. I've tried it for about 2 weeks now. I think the first 2 days, I literally use it back to back. It really helps to hydrate the upper layer of the skin. This is literally like the last product you should use after all your other lotions or your serum, whatever that is, okay? This one really helps to kind of lock the moisture in here, but at the same time also rehydrates the skin. So the one thing that I feel like really helps to kind of lock some moisture in there is also the pumpkin seed oil, okay? Starting to really like oils in skincare basically. So this is made for all types of dehydrated sensitive skin. If you have tightness, roughness, sensation of discomfort on your skin, you should try this out. In addition, its purifying property helps to maintain a fresh and well-rested skin in the morning. Its fresh aqua gel texture offers a delicate water veil feeling. It results with long-lasting hydration, skin regains freshness. And something about this product, I don't know what it is, but it helps to make sure that my skin wakes up feeling moisturized. So I really, really like this. And this is actually very, very lightweight. Considerably, it's a night mask. It's quite a lightweight sort of night mask already. The consistency of this is very cooling as well, so it's more like aqua gel. When it comes to intense hydration, yes, I definitely agree. This definitely helps to really intensively hydrate the skin. Detoxify skin, I'm not exactly sure how it works, okay? But it says that it has detox sort of property element in here, and also it calms the skin sensitivity. I do agree on this. So if you guys have like problems with redness the night before or flaky skin, like for me, I remember putting it on once when my skin is super flaky here and flaky here, because my nose has just been very sensitive lately. I've been sneezing, okay, but I remember having flakiness here and redness as well. I apply this on, the next day it literally just goes away. It really helps to so intensively moisturize the skin that it helps with the flakiness, the dryness of the skin, and also reduce the redness of the skin. This one is one of those products where you definitely need to rinse off during the daytime. For me, I don't really rinse off with a cleanser during the daytime, morning specifically. I usually just use water to kind of rinse my face, and I think that's good enough. It really helps to ensure that you kind of remove any excess that's on the surface of the skin that probably have collected dirt. One bottle like this, it has 50 ml and it comes with a little spatula. It's just unfortunate there's really no place that I can put the spatula. If they have like a proper lid cover here, then that would be great. Then I can actually fit the spatula in here. Can I fit this? Yeah, I can't fit this. I can't fit the spatula in here. I can't close it. So I'm definitely gonna lose the spatula, that's for sure. Simple, basic, but it really works very well for the skin. I really like this. If you want to rehydrate your skin, this is the way to go, okay? That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you have tried any of these Avène products out. Let me know what's your favorite, okay? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!